Hey there, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of my latest Amazon purchase. This is the adjustable laptop stand. As with all my purchases, I bought this item with my own money. I like doing these unboxing videos in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's the quality like, etc. So there's a quick look at the box. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what the stand looks like. So there's 4 little screws and an Allen wrench. That's going to be to attach the 2 pieces together. You've got your base. It is solid metal. Got some anti-slip stickers on the bottom, keep it in place. And then you've got the holder for your laptop, screen, your iPad, etc. You'll notice 3 screw holes here on the bottom. That's going to match the holes on the bottom plate. And put it together, and then you're going to use the hardware that they send you with the Allen wrench to connect it all. Again, you've got some anti-slip stickers to keep everything from moving, and then you've got a nice base here to keep everything solid. You do have a screw here where you can tighten this if it gets loose, but right out of the box, it's nice and tight, so you can adjust it accordingly. You shouldn't have to worry about it moving. Okay, so the assembly took literally maybe 1 or 2 minutes. All you have to do is tighten 3 screws at the bottom of it. You're ready to go. I was going to say, this is a multi-purpose stand. You can tilt it this way if you're wanting to use it with a tablet, so you can sit there and type on it, or maybe you want to watch a movie. You just need something to hold your device. It's perfect for that. And then if you want to use it as a laptop stand, you're simply just going to adjust it and then sit your laptop on it and you're ready to start working. Hope the video helps. Thanks for watching.